Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by checking the gel, smell it, and feel its texture. This tells you if it's fresh. Next, measure 1/2 cup for a standard serving and choose a liquid, water for neutral flavor, milk for creaminess. Once done, scoop the gel into a blender first. Adding liquid second prevents clumping. Make sure to work quickly if you plan a topical use. Keep tools clean. This sets you up for consistent texture and safe use whether you blend, apply, or cook with it. You now choose the path. For ingestion, add 1-2 tablespoons sea moss gel per serving into your blender with fruit and 1/2 cup liquid. Blend 30 to 45 seconds for silkiness. For a topical mask, mix 1 tablespoon gel with a teaspoon of honey or aloe and whisk to a smooth paste. This improves spreadability and hydration. For cooking, cool the pan slightly. Fold in 1/4 to 1/2 cup gel off. You finish by adjusting flavor or consistency. Add a squeeze of citrus, a pinch of spice, or a touch of sweetener, then reblend 10 to 15 seconds. This balances taste without over-diluting. If using topically, leave the mask 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse. Always patch test first to catch reactions. Store any leftover gel in an airtight container at 35 degrees to 40 degrees F and use within 2 to 3 weeks. If your gel separates or smells off, discard it. Do not risk irritation or ingestion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.